Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and read Instagram messages without opening them. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we can simply go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first thing would be simply for you to access your Instagram. So let's say you do have some messages and you do not wanna, you just want check them out, you want to keep it private, don't want that persons to know that you have sent them some message. First thing would be, if their message is a small text like hey, hello, what's up, you will simply see it just right over here in this section. If that particular message is long, let's say a video file, photo file of yours that you want to check out but don't want them to know, you can simply go ahead, turn your internet connection, turn your Wi-Fi, turn your cellular data. Once you don't have any connection, you can go ahead, access your Instagram and tap on that particular message of yours and check it out, because the internet was not there for the app to detect it and notify the person, so they will not know. Other thing would be, if you have allowed your notification to appear on your dashboard, you will find that particular message just written over there. Even if it's a long message that you cannot read in your app, you can tap on this drop down icon and read it. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.